Hi guys, we're going to make another color.
Which color is this?
Yellow.
Show me the color.
Another color.
Okay, which color is this, Emma?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, and what do we call it in Urdu? Peela.
Peela.
Pa. Peela.
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 Yellow is peela.
Peela.
Yellow is?
Peela.
Yellow is?
Peela.
Yes. Emma, what are you doing? What are you doing, Emma?
I'm stretching some.
Which color is this?
Yellow and green.
Yellow and green. What do we call yellow in Urdu? Peela.
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 Soft.
सब तो ग्रीन होता है बेटे. और ये ब्रांचेस ही हैं. और ऊपर से क्या है कलर है? येलो. पीला. 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 Okay, give one to Annie. Emma, what are you doing?
I'm singing.
Which color is this?
Blue.
Blue को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? What do we call blue in Urdu? हैं?
Soft.
No, नीला.
Yellow.
Which color is this?
Like yellow.
No, yellow is peela.
Peela.
Yellow is peela. Blue.
Yellow.
This is blue. Blue is नीला. Blue कौन सा होता है? Blue is
Blue.
नीला.
Yellow.
नीला.
What color my shoe? It's red.
It's red.
Yeah.
Oh, it's blue color. It's नीला.
Yellow.
क्या हुआ? वेट हुआ है? ठहरो देखते हैं इसमें क्या है.
Hi guys, watch me every day. See you in another video. Which color you like the most, guys? Tell and comment. I love this, guys. Love your heart. Love your heart.